Hello and good evening. Time for another product review. This time it is from Dr. Prepare. A doctor has prepared this for you. Okay? A portable shower bag. I can see this being very, very useful for a lot of people. You think of a shower in a camper van, especially a camper van, because they can't hold much water. Some of them don't hold any water. Motorhomes, caravans, obviously it's going to come in handy for. People wanting to do the garden, you could water your plants with it, you could wash your car with it. Do anything you want with it. But I think particularly for washing your dog. You know, have it in the back of the car, in your camper van, in your motorhome, and wash your dog with it.
And rinsing your bike off.
And rinsing your bike off,
yeah.
Yes. So here is the box. Instructions. The portable shower bag. Look how small it packs up to.
That's very portable.
It's very portable, isn't it? That's why I think this is
it
perfect. Light? It weighs 1.89 pounds.
Wow.
Nothing. That's why I think it's perfect for camper vans, because of the size of it. You can pack that anywhere. You also get a pump, right? And a lead to charge your pump up. So you've got an option with this. You can do it by foot, or you can do it by proper pump, electric pump. So let's get rid of that. Get rid of them for the time being. I have fully charged this up, so we're not going to be needing the USB. That's all ready to go. And here is the bag it comes in. Right, let's get in it, show you what comes with it. It's like a waterproof bag, so you're not going to be getting water in the back of your boot and stuff. Nice, like a rubber PVC type bag. And here is the actual shower. So you pull it up, so you can see how big it's going to be, yeah? At the bottom, you've got your actual hose. I don't know the length of this hose, I'll be honest with you. This is actually a newly upgraded version. They've done things to this to tweak it, to make it even better than it used to be. One of the things they've done is make the cap on top bigger, so it's easier to get more water in. Underneath then, so you've got quite a long lead. I don't know how long.
1.5 meters, 2 metre?
6 to 10 foot, I would say, with a nozzle on the end, which is like a double use nozzle. You can have it down or you can have it up for continuous use, I believe. So that's the nozzle, and you've also got this thing here. Now on the bottom of here you can attach something else in the bag. A foot pump, so you would simply screw that on there. I'm going to demonstrate this in a bit, and pump it by foot. Or you can screw on there your electric pump, press the on button and it will blow it up. So first thing we have to do is get this. I think it holds, let me just check, 4 gallons of water. That's more than adequate for most small jobs. That's a lot of water, is that? So I'm going to fill it up with water and we'll take it from there. So we've filled it with water. Now you can see the length of the hose, so it's about 7 foot long. And you come to the bit here. So you've got an option, you can do it by foot pump. I think we'll start with this though.
The easy way.
The easy way. So this is the pump. Let's screw this onto here. It comes in a little waterproof bag as well. Screw that onto there. And all you have to do, keep that pressed for a couple of seconds,
yeah,
and it will come on. And then a quick press. It is now pumping that up. So it's going to get all the air out of there. When it's fully pumped, it's going to start coming out of here when I press the trigger.
See it, yeah.
So as you can see, it's almost fully pumped now. And there is a safety thing on it as well, so it isn't going to explode.
Right.
Okay? Nearly there.
How do you know you're nearly there?
Because it looks nearly there.
I see.
And here we go. We've got a sprinkle coming out. So it's fully inflated now. The pump has just stopped. So let's use it as a shower. There you go. You could shower yourself with that. clean your dog off, no problem whatsoever. Water your plants, clean your van. I think it's a really good, versatile little thing.
Yeah.
And it's a one-man job. You know, normally there's someone has to hold the dog while the other one uses the hose and shampoos the dog.
Yeah.
But with this, I think it's an incredible little idea. So you can press it to get the water out, or you can put it straight up, oops, for continuous use. Just leave it going, yeah? So you can free up another hand. That's pretty cool. And the pump, as we're doing this, as the air's coming out of it and the water level's going down, it's fully inflating again. So it's fully inflated again. Water, no problem whatsoever. What do you think, Mazzy?
Yeah, it's okay.
The water pressure itself is not fantastic,
Yeah,
let's
that's
be honest.
my only issue. I mean, for watering plants, rinsing off dogs and shoes and
Rinsing
feet.
off dogs, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Rinsing off your footwear, stuff like that when your Wellingtons, when you're muddy. So that is with the electric pump. So let's take this off now and attach the foot pump. So I've taken the electric pump off. Let's try the foot pump. See how easy it is with this. It's not going to be as easy as with an electric one, is it?
Yeah, because then that way you're doing two things at once then, aren't you? You're holding a hose and you've got a pump with your foot. Is that
Yeah,
right?
you've always got to keep pumping with your foot. Yeah, so we'll give it a go anyway.
This could be funny.
You've got to have the flap open there for some reason, it says in the instructions. So,
That works.
it does work. Does the job.
Yeah.
Perfectly happy with that. That's not bad. You know, it's not attached to a mains.
It's not a pressure washer, yeah.
It's not a pressure washer or anything.
Yeah.
But for rinsing things off, that ain't bad.
And if you ain't got a hose or a back, you know, a tap in your back garden, perfect for watering your little flowers and stuff, isn't it?
As I say, for the size it folds up to, I think it's just something you can have in the back and just say, you'll forget all about it, and then one day you'll be saying, oh, look at state, oh, go get that shower out.
Yeah. And some people don't even have the option for a shower in a van, and it would be your second option, really, wouldn't it?
You could wash yourself with this, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem at all. Yeah, loving it. Now, I've also read, I don't know if this is true, it's also like solar, and I think what they mean by that is leave this out in the sun, and that is going to heat the water up.
I imagine it would because it's black.
It's black.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that would work. I think it'd take quite a long time though.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, leave it out of your van or even in your car or something. You know how they get really hot on the back seat?
Yeah.
Just leave it in your boot while you're going to the beach or something and it'll heat up. Ready to clean your dog or whatever when you come back with warmer water. So there you go. Dr. Prepare portable shower. Quite impressed, quite impressed. Do you want to know the prices of these? I'm sure you do. In America they are $54.99. In the UK you can get them on Amazon for £35.99, which I think is a very good price for what you get. It's alright, isn't it?
It's alright, yeah.
You know, it's just something a bit different. It's, you know, when you're in motorhomes it's nice to have these little gadgets. Some people get use out of it, some people won't, but for someone, as I say, someone in a camper van, I think that could come in really handy because of the tiny size that it packs up to.
Yeah.
So, a very quick review for you there, but hope you enjoyed it. Join us tomorrow on Travel Trolls TV. See you all later. Bye-bye.